Hello YouTube, this is your girl Aisha Delley and this is the look that I created today, so continue watching if you want to know what I did to do this look. I really don't know if I'm doing this right or not, but I'm done. So now that I have my little headscarf on to lay my edges while I do my makeup, my little friend woke up, as you can see. If you can see her, she's back there. I'm doing my makeup. What are you doing? I'm doing my makeup. You wanna come sit by me? I think she's gonna stay right there. But that's my friend sometimes. And yeah, I had filmed a video yesterday. And my camera, like, I didn't realize that until when I was halfway done with my makeup that my camera wasn't on. So then I started recording and then I looked back at it when I was done and half my face showed. And that video contained me of, you know, waxing my eyebrows without failure, because the first time I waxed my eyebrows I had bald spots all in it. What's wrong? What's wrong? You wanna come sit by me? Okay. If you can see her, this is Zuri. I'm doing my makeup Zuri, okay? So you're just gonna sit there. I don't know how I'm gonna be doing this because I feel like it's gonna be a little hard, but who doesn't like a little challenge? Going in with my flat angled brush. Oh, excuse me. Oh, she's back. Let go of me. Zuri. Let go of me. Nope, 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 nope. That's my makeup. You okay? That was you. I told you to stop. You didn't want to listen, so. Look, her parents are going to be like, you're never letting you watch my daughter again. Okay, I'm concealing my whole eyelid now. No, I'm not picking you up. Okay, I'm going to blend out the foundation that's on top. I wish my eyebrows were perfect, like, all the time. Going in for my eyeshadow with this palette, Subculture, and I know it's like so old. Well, not so old, it's like a year, not even a year. But I've never reviewed this because every time I try to, it looks like I got a black eye. So I finally got a look the other day, and if you follow me on like Snapchat, you would have saw the look that I did. But also the main reason why is because my palette looks like this. I was doing this, like, a family friend's makeup and her kids got into it and they were supposed to buy me another one, but I was like, you know, buy me the prism and, you know, to make up for this one because I've never used it when they got into it. And she was like, no, if I buy you that, then I think that I should get that palette. No, no, no. I feel like if you buy me another one that's the same price, you shouldn't get this one because your kids messed it up. But I got peanut butter all over my lip. I am going to go in with this color Dawn to whatever it's called after you put the concealer on, to you know what I mean? Probably not, because I don't even know what I'm talking about, but I know what I'm doing. So I'm going in with that color called Dawn. Yeah, that tan color. Even though this is looking red. And all, like, oh, I love their palettes, but they're so, like, so soft and the fallouts are crazy. Like, I'm just barely tapping and like crazy amount of fallout. That's why I didn't do my foundation first like I usually do. I'm going with this pretty color. Maybe I should swatch this palette. Backtrack, reverse. I'm going to swatch it. I hope she's not getting peanut butter and jelly all over my bed. Starting with this color Cube in this top corner right here. Swatch it. It's kind of like a holographic, kind of pearlish purple pink. You can't really. Are you just gonna talk through my video too? That's how it looks. Other color called Dawn is like a tan. That's how it looks right there. This other color Destiny, which is like an army green. Oh, it's super soft too. Oh, that's cute. I'm sorry you're gonna hear Ziri talk because that's just Ziri. Okay, and this color right here called Adorn. It's like a gold. It's really soft, but it's not that pigmented. Like I feel like you have to like spray, you know, something on a brush, or you know, it's more pigmented if you use your finger. This other color is called All Star, and it's like a reddish, purplish kind of burgundy. Oh, and that's super soft too. See, with their palettes, with their colors being so soft, they are really, really pigmented. They just have a lot of fallout. Most mattes are not as pigmented as these. The next color is called Mercury, and it's like a grayish. That's it right there. The next color is Axis, and that's one of the colors that I'll be using today. And it's like a teal, favor and blue. Super, a lot of fallout. That's the color right there. The next color right here is called Roxy, and it's like a peach color. That's how it looks. The next color is called Electric, right there. And it's like green, gold, yellow shimmer. It's soft as well. And these are one of those colors that looks better if you use your hand or apply it with your finger more than a brush. The next color is called Fudge, and it's just like a coffee brown. That's how it looks, with a little bit of mixed color in it. Next color is New Wave. This is absolutely my favorite because it's just like an orange yellow type. Okay, there it is. It's not really that pigmented as the blue and the purple, but you know, it's there. The next color is Untamed, and I feel like it's a mix of this Destiny and Access put together. It's that color right there, if you can see. The next color is Edge, and it's like a mustard green or mustard yellow, varsity yellow. It's right there by that New Wave color, that orange. Yeah, that's for yellow. It's really pigmented. Okay, the next color is called Rowdy, right there. It's like a dark purple, and it's super soft. So that's the color right there. So after I used Dawn, I packed it on my, eyelid. Now the next color, going in with this more rounded, pointy-ish Morphe brush. Yeah, and I'm going to go in with New Wave, so that orange, and I'm going to put it above my crease. And see, when Jeffree Star, when he reviewed this palette when it came out, concealed his eye, and they just didn't do what he wanted it to do, and it's like changed colors how thick of the concealer. He was using the Shape Tape, but when I did this look the other day, it didn't look that bad. Okay, so I'm going to go in with this other Morphe brush. It's kind of flattish, roundish. I think it's good to do like the crease. And I'm going in with All Star, which is this purplish, reddish color. And I'm gonna put that into my crease. Going to put that in my crease, and I'm going to blend out towards my brow. Oh my gosh, have you guys seen the new Jaclyn Hill Vault palette? They're like, there's 4 palettes and they're so beautiful. They have like 10 colors in each, I think, but they're so beautiful and each of them have their own theme. I'm going to get a little bit of concealer and I'm going to conceal my eyelid. Okay, so since I've done my concealer, I'm going to go in with that color Adorn, which is that color right there, and it's the gold color, and I'm going to pack it in my mid-center of my lid with my finger, using my finger. So I'm going to use my Luxie 239 Precision Shader. And I'm going to use that color Access, which is that blue one right there, for the inner and outer corner of my eye. And I'm just kind of gonna pack it in there, not necessarily like blend it, because it's just going in that one spot. I am going to go in with the color Cube, which is that pearlish holographic looking one. And that's gonna be my highlight. So I did my other eye just for my pictorial on Instagram. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to conceal my eyeshadow on the edge to make it sharp. Blend it out. Zuri, you better not plug that in the wall, I promise you. Put it down. How to kick that little girl out. She's trying to electrocute herself. Okay, so for the lower lash line, I used that same brush that I used to pack the blue, but I first went with that all-star color, and I just went along the lash line, I guess, and then I'm going in with that Access, so that blue, and I'm gonna layer it on top. And I'm gonna try and get as close as I can to my waterline. Okay, and then I'm going in with that New Wave, so that orange color that I began with. I usually don't do like, if I do like the shimmer, it's like a half crease, not like in the middle of my eyelid, but I'm feeling it. Okay, I'm going in with my L'Oreal Voluminous Original Mascara. Of this, you know, it's really pretty, a lot of colors, and oh, and don't forget to follow my Instagram and Snapchat for, you know, updates and, you know, more looks that I'll be creating and everything like that. So that's it for that video. Thank you for watching. This is the Subculture Look by Anastasia Beverly Hills. And yeah, and if you guys like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and also don't forget to press that notification bell at the top so you won't miss any more of my videos. Yeah, peace.